Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to ConsciousBuyer TV. Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into. Apple's latest marvel, the Apple Vision Pro. Ready to discover what the Apple Vision Pro has in store for us? Well, let's dive right in. The Apple Vision Pro offers an incredible experience that's set to revolutionize the world of virtual reality. This headset provides you with unique control without the need for a controller. You can interact using your eyes, hands, and voice, giving you precise control down to the finest detail. Here are some standout features of the Apple Vision Pro. The M2 processor and R1 chip ensure smooth operation and quick data processing. High-resolution displays and cameras used for 3D mapping elevate the reality experience to the next level. Specially designed audio technology immerses you in realistic soundscapes, delivering a personalized spatial audio experience. These features of the Apple Vision Pro open up a whole new world for you without limiting you to reality. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro offers much more than just a virtual reality headset. By combining AR and VR technologies, it transcends the boundaries of the real world. When Apple's quality and innovation come together, the result is more than just a device. So go ahead, embrace the blend of reality and imagination with the Apple Vision Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos.